Over 15 different programs, over 1,500 participating students, 11 different hosting school districts, preparing today's youth for tomorrow's workforce. The Charlevoix-Emmet Intermediate School District Career and Technical Education Program. Let us take you inside Char-Em CTE in 90 seconds.
There is definitely something mesmerizing about watching sparks fly when someone is welding. The need for welders is everywhere, and it's currently one of the fastest growing, most in-demand areas of the skilled trades. But how exactly do people become welders? In the welding program, we learn and practice our welding skills for jobs and employment that are immediately available.
Okay, well, if you take the MIG welder, you should be able to just trigger it at fairly low and just trigger a little bit at a time to fill that in. Okay. And even after it's filled in, you can go back around and make it one solid weld so it looks better.
Housed at East Jordan and Pellston high schools, we work with all different kinds of metals and learn how to use the tools involved in welding materials together.
Yeah, I'd like to see that type of a root.
Yeah, every time I go to do a restart on the last bit, I just can't do something.
Just practice.
Starting with classroom instruction and descriptions, and progressing through lots and lots of actual hands-on practice, we learn and master the details of the welding industry.
Fill it in, and then where you stopped, if you slow down just a little bit up there, okay, make sure you tie your toes in real good though. Okay, you're looking pretty good. Don't get too wide.
And I think they're getting better because when I do them before, I would try going over so fast, I'd be going over too far.
Yep. So it's just a constant speed. Go across.
From MIG welding to arc welding. From flux cord arc welding to TIG welding. From shop safety procedures to metal preparation. We experience it all. Mastering our skills as welders during high school prepares us for tons of employment opportunities. Did we spark your interest?